everyone, welcome back to my next quote of the day. So today's quote is from a man named Kenneth S. Davis, and it's not a feel-good quote, but I think it's a quote that can make a huge impact on people's lives. Let's read it now. Life truly lived is a risky business, and if one puts up too many fences against risk, one ends up by shutting out life itself. I just think that's a powerful quote. You know, in our society, in modern day America, we worship at the throne of comfort and safety and ease, and we just want our lives to be just so wonderful. And humans have never lived that way. Humans are not intended to live that way. And if we insist on it, and if we demand that life should be easy and comfortable and risk-free at all times, then we have to build up barriers to keep out risk. We have to live in houses with thick walls and thick glass, and we have to keep out the rain and the wind and the cold and the heat. We can't have those things around us because they're not comfortable. And then our houses become prisons. They're walls that we stay inside to keep out unpleasant things and unpleasant people. And there are people out there that we might not like, and boy, we can't let them anywhere near us, and maybe they're dangerous, maybe they'll hurt us. So we need to put in bigger walls and more door locks and a heavier deadbolt, maybe 2 or 3 deadbolts, maybe even bars on the windows. So we build these fences to keep out risky things and dangerous things and unpleasant things. But sadly, we find out that life itself is inherently risky and dangerous and uncomfortable. And if we keep out all the danger and the discomfort and the risk, that we've kept out life. And we are living our lives in this prison shell of our 4 walls of our home and the 4 walls of our 5-star safety rated car and our carefully laid out route to work, and then in our work with bars so that bad men can't come in and shoot us while we're at work, and we'll do safety training so that if there's an active shooter situation, we'll know what to do. Maybe we carry guns with us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, because you never know. You just never know. And so we bar out life. We live our lives in a prison, and it's a very beautiful and pleasant prison, our home and our cars and our workplaces, but it's a prison nonetheless. And we are the warden of our prison, and we are the guards that won't allow us out of our prison lest there be some risk and danger out there. So folks, I hope you'll give thought to that, to tearing down some of the fences and allowing in some risk and some danger and some discomfort. And everything I do on this channel is to say, embrace the discomfort. You can poop in a bucket, you can live in a van, you can live with less crap, and you can be happier than you have ever thought, and you can have life pour into your being, into your days. You can make your heart sing with life. And life is worth the risk. So live your life. Don't come to the ends of your days and say to yourself, I never lived. I was comfortable and safe, but I never lived. Talk to you tomorrow.